Lot number 108 is a 2002 Chevy 3500 utility truck. This one has a 6.5 liter diesel engine with only 71,000 original miles. The engine sounds good. It's got 2 batteries, both of them are dead. I connected 2 jump boxes on here, and this thing started right up. No starting fluid necessary. I just hit the key and it started. It's been running for about 30 or 40 minutes now, but I can't move it because the transmission appears to be disconnected. Yeah, it's in place, but it appears to be disconnected. I'll show you the miles here. It's got 71,000 miles. AC blows warm. I'm going to shut that off. I'll rev it up so you can hear the engine. Engine sounds good. All the gauges appear to be working. It has not overheated. It's idling smooth and it revs up nice. Now, let me give you a walk around here. It's in a tight spot, but I'll do my best to show you what I see. The body is straight. The paint is peeling and faded. It's got the nap-hide utility bed. It's got the side toolboxes. It all has paint peeling. It all shows surface rust. Front grille is faded. Front bumper is dented. The paint looks moldy. The bottom of the grille here is cracked. It's got all matching steel wheels. The tires look good. See if we can get some of these cabinet doors open. Cabinets look good. A lot of space here. So far, so good. All right. These cabinets appear to be in good shape. They don't show any rust. They're moldy, they're dirty. They have paint missing and they show a little surface rust. So good pressure cleaning and a spray paint can will make them look great. This one has the rear extended bumper, which appears to be in good shape. Let's take a peek at the floor here. Floor is solid. The floor is solid. It shows a lot of surface rust, but this is all steel. All right, these cabinet doors don't look as good as the other side, and it's going to be really hard to check them because it's not letting that stay there, stay up, so they show wear. Let's go back around. I'll show you the interior. Here's the passenger door. Looks good. The dashboard is cracked. Bench seat is torn. Headliner's hanging and torn. It's missing both rear view mirrors. Driver's side door panel is missing the armrest. The steering wheel is worn all the way down to the metal, and the rubber mat on the floor is torn. It shows all the normal wear and tear of these trucks. All right, there it is. It's got to be towed out of here. It appears that the transmission is disconnected. No mechanical work is going to be permitted. You cannot lay under the vehicle and hook on the transmission. You got to get it towed out of here. It's lot number 108. It's a 2002 Chevy 3500 utility truck. Engine sounds good. Unknown conditions. of the transmission, and the AC blows warm. It's lot 108. Good luck.